Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Filecoin price prediction and Filecoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Filecoin in 2022. Filecoin is a decentralized storage system that aims to store humanity's most important information. As part of the initial offering, ICO, in 2017, the project raised $205 million. The launch was originally scheduled for mid-2019. However, the Filecoin mainnet launch date has been pushed back until block 148,888 is reached on October 15, 2020. The project was first described back in 2014 as an incentive layer for the Interplanetary File System, IPFS, a peer-to-peer storage network. Filecoin is an open protocol. It is backed by a blockchain that records the commitments made by network participants through transactions made using Fil. Fil is the native currency of the blockchain. Blockchain is based on both proof of repetition and proof of space-time. Filecoin was founded by Juan Bennett, who also created the Interplanetary File System. Bennett is an American computer scientist who studied at Stanford University. After founding Protocol Labs in May 2014, he visited Y Combinator in the summer of 2014 with the intention of finding support for IPFS and Filecoin, among other projects. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Filecoin. Filecoin, Fil, and Tezos, XTZ, set historic record in their pre-sales. Firepin, FRPN, pre-sale rise 10% overnight. It is possible to buy new crypto at a far lower price by participating in pre-sales to make the best gains. We can see this when we look back at Filecoin, Fil, and Tezos, XTZ, historic pre-sale figures. Newcomer Firepin, FRPN, aspire to be on these levels and hit huge figures in their pre-sale, which has just started. Due to great demand, cryptocurrency pre-sales shut or sell out within minutes of their start. You'll want to keep an eye on the clock when the pre-sale begins again. One pre-sale you don't have to look too far for is Firepin, FRPN. Their pre-sale began just over a week ago, and early investors are already reaping the rewards. One of the newest cryptocurrencies, Firepin token, FRPN, has a lot of potential for development in 2022. Firepin will provide access to a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Polygon, Matic, Ethereum, ETH, Binance Smart Chain, BSC, Solana, Sol, and Avalanche, AVAX, FRPN. Several solutions will be combined, so that holders may do multi-chain swaps at the least price and timely rates feasible. A 15% pre-sale allocation of Firepin, FRPN, will be available on PancakeSwap, PS, and Uniswap, US. As the demand for cross-chain transactions rises, Firepin, FRPN, looks to be in a great position to gain on other cryptos, while also providing significant value to its holders. Filecoin, Fil, and Tezos, Tez, are two such currencies. Filecoin nodes can also disseminate various types of messages to the rest of the network. The client, for instance, can publish a message to send Fil from one address to another. Nodes can offer Filecoin miners storage and retrieval services, and miners can charge for them as they are completed. Miners contribute to the network by completing various types of transactions and adding new blocks to the chain, for which they receive Fil rewards. Retrieval and storage deals happen on the Filecoin network. Clients and storage miners make arrangements to store data in the network through storage deals. Once a deal is made and a miner receives the data to store, it must repeatedly show to the chain that it is still storing the data in accordance with the agreement in order to get rewards. Otherwise, the miner would be sliced, and Fil will be lost. Clients and retrieval miners make agreements to retrieve data that is stored on the network in a fast and reliable manner. Storage miners must demonstrate that they are storing data in accordance with the conditions of a contract. That implies they must save all of the information provided by the client and keep it for the entire duration of the transaction deal. Miners show that they have acquired all of the data and have encrypted it in a way that is unique to that miner, using their physical storage in a way that no other miner can replicate using proof of replication, PORP. A dynamic base fee determines the number of fees burned in the Filecoin network, which is constantly changed based on network congestion parameters. One of the block explorers reviewing the current head can provide the current value. A number of gas-related factors are also connected to each message, and these parameters impact the number of rewards that miners receive. Actors are a state management software design paradigm. They are Filecoin's version of the Ethereum virtual machine smart contracts and play a crucial role in the system. Any modification to the Filecoin blockchain's current state must be initiated by an actor. Unique features of Filecoin, Fil. Users of Filecoin pay the network to have their data stored on storage miners that are computers that store files and demonstrate that they have been stored correctly over time. Anybody can join Filecoin if they want to keep their files or get paid to store other people's data, which means that no single entity has control over the amount of storage available or the pricing of that storage. Instead, Filecoin allows anybody to engage in open markets for storing and recovering data. The blockchain of Filecoin stores transactions for sending and receiving Fil, as well as verification from storage miners that they are correctly keeping their files. Filecoin allows customers to store their files at ultra-low fees and double-check that they are being stored appropriately. By picking the miner with the best storage offer for their needs, users can choose their chosen trade-off between cost, redundancy, and performance. Filecoin-enabled applications can negotiate storage with any miner on the network. There is no need to build a new API for each provider, unlike centralized storage systems. Users can check that their files are being kept appropriately at any moment by examining proofs present on the blockchain. Filecoin is a cryptocurrency that allows storage providers to sell their space on the open market. People and organizations that run miners and earn Fil tokens are known as storage providers. A miner could be any internet-connected computer with free disk space, or a specialized Filecoin-specific system with plenty of storage. The blockchain compensates miners for providing usable storage to the internet, rather than for completing inefficient proof-of-work calculations. The crypto space is about to go mainstream, with each project offering unique plans to survive and dominate the market. Is Filecoin, Fil, a good investment? How much will Filecoin be worth in 2025, or how much will Filecoin be worth in 10 years? Now we will try to answer all these questions. So, Fil rate prediction 2022. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term Fil price forecast will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2022 could end with an average bid of $29.21 and a minimum bid of $28.17. The maximum bid is expected to be around $32.21. Fil price prediction 2023. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Filecoin will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2023, Fil is expected to peak at $48.89. The minimum bid could rise to $41.28 if the market turns bullish. Filecoin price prediction 2024. The current price range of Filecoin may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Fil could reach $72.85 by 2024, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $64.11 for 2024, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2024. Filecoin course forecast 2025. Fil has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Filecoin, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of $109.46. Fil is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of $93.17, a minimum price of $90.60, and a maximum price of $109.46. Fil price prediction 2026. The value of Filecoin will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. Fil is expected to top out at $159.12 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Filecoin will eventually grow.